Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and software. Plug the unifying receiver into a working USB port or turn on Bluetooth on your PC. Install Logitech Options Plus or GHUB now if you haven't. These drivers handle profiling and firmware. Once done, wake the peripheral and watch its LED. Blinking means discoverable. Make sure you're within 3 meters for Bluetooth. If pairing a keyboard, put it into pairing mode using the function key combination. For mice, hold the connecting button until the LED blinks rapidly. You'll now pair and update firmware to ensure stability. Open Logitech Options Plus or GHUB and choose Add Device or Pair New Device. Follow on-screen prompts. If the app finds firmware updates, install them. Updates fix latency and feature bugs, so don't skip. For unifying receivers, run the separate unifying utility and pair each device one at a time to avoid mix-ups. Make sure the peripheral stays powered and close other Bluetooth devices to reduce interference during this critical configuration window. You finish by testing functionality and saving profiles. Open the app to check button mapping, DPI levels, and scroll behavior. Calibrate the mouse to your surface if supported. Once settings are applied, restart your computer to solidify driver registration. If the device still misbehaves, unplug the receiver for 10 seconds and reinsert. For Bluetooth, remove the device from OS settings and repair. If nothing works, perform a factory pairing reset on the peripheral, then repeat the pairing and firmware steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.